Hello everyone and welcome back, and also please ignore Sammy that is sleeping over there, so if you hear snoring, it's coming from him. If you have watched my previous video about my birthday vlog, you probably know that my birthday was on 17th of March, so I am going to show you what I got for my birthday. Of course, I am grateful for me and my family and friends being healthy, for all the love that I received on the day and in general. I know this video is going to be more about the materialistic side of things, but I like unboxing, I like new things, and if you're watching this, you probably like the same things as well. So without further ado, let's start the haul. So I'm going to begin with something that I'm wearing just now, and it's these pants, which are awesome. These are my favorite trousers at the moment. They're from Massimo Dutti and they were a present from my boyfriend. What I love the most about them is their color and also the little belts on each side of the trousers, which give it that riding a horse kind of look, which is very trendy at the moment. And they do flatter my shape, so they are very sleek at the top, round at the hips, and they're flowy at the end, so that's exactly what I love wearing the most, and I have been wearing them a lot, and I've had them for like 2 days, so that speaks for itself. I just love their fit, and also I can combine them with everything in my closet because I love neutral colors, so it was a great hit. So everything that I got from my boyfriend was from Massimo Dutti, which is one of my favorite brands, and most of the time I do believe that their items are worth the money. So the other thing that I got from my boyfriend from Massimo Dutti is that t-shirt, which might look very plain from the first look at it. It's a size extra small. It is an oversized fit in general, and what I love about it is the color. It has like that dark green color, which flatters my skin color, my eyes, hair, everything, and I just love it. And you might think that it's just a basic t-shirt, but it is kind of upgraded because it has like shoulder pads which exaggerate a bit the length of your shoulder, and it just looks very nice, and it makes it look a bit more chic, and it makes it look a little bit more edgy, which I really like. Apparently everybody that he asked said that they're not sure about this t-shirt, if I'm gonna like it at all, and it's one of my favorites, to be honest, and good thing that he got it. He got a taste, he's learning. And the last thing that I got from my boyfriend is this top, again from Massimo Dutti. Like I said, everything he got me is from there, and it's this beautiful, beautiful, very simple but very versatile as well top. So it's this beige sandy color, which I'll be able to combine with everything in my wardrobe. I actually already have like 2 tops like this one, but in pink and navy, and I wear them a lot, and if I have a special occasion I always reach out for them. And this will be another addition to my collection, which I am going to wear a lot. I am certain of it. I love its bag because it is open and it has like that V shape on the neck, and it has that extra material at the front as well, which makes it a bit more interesting than just a simple basic top, and I just love it, and I'll be wearing it a lot. So let's continue with what my sister got me for my birthday, and I will start with my favorite things of them all, and it's nothing big or anything, but it's something that I use a lot at home and I love it and I haven't taken it off, and it's this tiara. I think that's how it's called. It's from Zara and it's that brick color, so it's orangey red, which is a very interesting color that I can contrast with all my outfits. I wear it a lot. I wear it every day, like just chilling at home or going out to walk Sammy, this lazy thing over there. And yeah, I think that's my favorite present of them all. You know, it doesn't have to be an expensive present. So yeah, that's my favorite thing in the moment, and I am wearing it everywhere, all the time. And the other thing that my sister got me, which I actually wasn't expecting because I just wanted a tiara that I can use all the time, is that beautiful, beautiful dress from Zara as well. It's very long because if you know me, then you know that I don't wear short dresses, rarely short skirts, and I do like something that's long and princessy like. So this one is kind of a cottage style dress. It's 100% cotton, I believe, if I'm not wrong, and it's that very sturdy, heavy cotton material, which I actually like because it makes the bottom of the dress more magical. It looks more like a gown, to be honest, and I like the smoke detail at the front of the dress as well. The puffy sleeves as well, I like that they are short, but you can like make them pop up a bit, so it looks very cute on its own. But I also like to style it with a blazer like I did on my birthday. Again, watch the video of my birthday vlog if you want to see how I styled it. And I just couldn't wait to wear it, and yeah, you don't need an occasion to wear a dress like that. I just went to Aldi with it, and yeah, that's what I like doing. So it's a very pretty dress, and she knows my style. What can I say? They know me. And the last people that were invited to my birthday party, well, they had to be here because they live in this house, are my parents. And what they got me for my birthday are those very beautiful blue joggers that go with that very basic blue top, which is very nice because I can actually wear it with everything. It does look good with jeans, leggings, tracksuit bottoms, whatever it is, because it's a very simple piece that I will wear a lot, and it pairs very well with the joggers that they got me. My favorite part about those joggers, it's the waistband, because it pokes out. It looks like you have like men underwear underneath the joggers kind of thing, and it says like Hollister all around it. And then you have the bit, which is elasticated, so they're very comfortable. They sit very nice on the waist. They're just very comfortable. I've been wearing them a lot lately as well. And again from Hollister, another basic top. It's exactly the same as the blue one, but in white. I haven't worn this one yet. This one is a size bigger. I haven't tried it on yet, but I'm sure even if it's a bit oversized, I won't mind it at all. And it's just a basic white top, which I tend to wear a lot, and the ones that I have are already ruined, so this will replace them, and it's very cute, again versatile. And last but not least, they got me this jumpsuit from Superdry. It's something that I have been wanting for quite a while. I tried it on last year and I ended up not getting it because I saw it towards the end of summer. It's just something that I wanted, and I wasn't sure if they're gonna get it, but I'm so thankful that they did. It's a linen jumpsuit. It's not completely white, it's more like ecru or off-white color. It has white trousers, an open back, and it has like pretty buttons at the front of it. And it's something that I'm hoping I can wear on vacation this year somehow. We're gonna see how it goes, but even if I don't go on a holiday, I'm still gonna wear it around the garden, let's say. It's something that's very comfortable and chill, and I just think it's very chic with the bow at the back, and yeah, with the right kind of bag and a pretty hat, I think it's gonna be the perfect summer outfit. So darlings, that's the end of my video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I had a blast on my birthday, even though it was in quarantine and we're in lockdown now in the UK, but I still had a great time with my closest people. And I love the fact that they actually knew what to get me, because I don't like spending money on something that I'm never gonna wear, so I don't really pretend that I like something if I don't. And that's why I'm very afraid with surprises most of the time, and yeah. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!